this video I will teach you how you can add images to Magento by using Copy. Let's say you receive new images from a supplier for some products and now you're struggling to upload more than one image for each of these products. First of all, your images should be named after the SKU of the product that they represent. That means if the image is of a product with the SKU 24MB01, for example, the image should be called 24MB01.jpg. The second thing is every additional image of the same product should be named the same way, but with an _1, _2, and so on. So you should ask your supplier to name the images accordingly before they send them to you. So right here I have an example product that, as you can see, has no image applied, so we're gonna change that. So let's jump into Excel. So I have an empty sheet open, and as always you're gonna start by clicking Copy and hit Load Products. Once everything has loaded, we want to select the products that we want to apply the images to. So in this case we use the attribute set bags. I just scaled everything up so things are easier to see, and you want to search the column images, which should be at the end, and you want to select everything inside the image column, and you want to make sure that when you go to home and under numbers it doesn't say text, it should say general. Because if it doesn't say general, it could cause some problems later. So before we go on, you should know where your images are. So I will use these sample images of bags, and they are on my desktop. So in your file explorer, you can just copy the path to your folder, and inside the first cell of the column images, you want to start typing equals images.add, and now you want to click the function button or the insert function button. A new field opens up and you want to click into the second text box and type in a quotation mark. Now paste in the path to your folder and type in the backslash, another quotation mark, 2 ampersand, and you want to click right between them. Now select the SKU in the same row. Now click behind it again. You want to type in another quotation mark, .jpg, and another quotation mark. Hit OK. And if we click, you can see that the first image is displayed. However, what we want to do is we want to add more than one image to a product. So what we can do is we can click the insert function button again. We can copy everything from this line and paste it into the second one. I missed something. And because the way we named these images, as you can see, it says MB01, MB01 _1, MB01 _2. We can just go all the way to the end and we can add _1, copy the whole thing, paste it in here, exchange it for _2, and we can go on for as many images as we have. Click OK, and if we click back into the cell, you can see that now every image is displayed. To extend this function to all the other products, you can just double click this little square in the bottom right corner. If we click through these products and look at the images, you can see that some of them are displayed as this little red X, and the reason for that is that not every product is assigned 3 images, only some of them, like this one or this product, but some of them only have 2 images or 1. And you don't have to worry about this inside Magento. It just means there won't be anything to load. This is not an error. Okay, so this is already it. You can click the Copy tab and save your products. Once everything is saved, we can go back to our front shop, and I already reloaded the page, but we can see that all the images are now inside Magento.